How are these channels making money on YouTube without making any videos? We are talking about big money here, from $50 to $500 per day and more without making any original content yourself. How is this possible, and is it legal on YouTube? In today's video, we will go over all of the steps to show you a method that you can use instantly and create videos without using any of your own content. We will dive into the most profitable niches and methods to create videos in these categories. This is eMaster, and we teach people how to make money on YouTube and other existing platforms. Have you ever thought about how many YouTube videos you've watched that contain someone standing in front of a camera? Most of the videos that you've probably seen did not. However, these type of videos can still make a lot of money. So how is this possible? Most of the Faceless top 10s and celebrity niche channels do not use any of their own original content. They are using pre-existing YouTube videos because it's almost impossible to get original content in these particular niches. YouTube's reused content policy states, channels that repurpose someone else's content without adding significant original commentary or educational value. The main keywords here are without adding significant original commentary or educational value. That means channels that are transforming videos enough are protected by YouTube's fair use policy. So here's what they're doing: downloading a bunch of YouTube videos, mixing up the content, creating a voiceover, and then re-uploading to their channel. The only thing left to do is to run ads on them and make some money. Main thing here to understand is YouTube's fair use policy. This policy states that law that allows the reuse of copyright protected material under certain circumstances without getting permission from the copyright owner. Creators who understand this policy know that even previously uploaded and copyrighted material can be reused on YouTube, and then you can make money on that with AdSense. That's exactly what these YouTube channels are doing and making bank. This brings us to our method. We will show you the steps required to create the content that we are talking about. Here's the process in a nutshell. Choose your niche. Download material from YouTube using YouTube Video Downloader. Download stock footage if necessary. Make sure that the footage is transformed enough to meet fair use policy requirements. Re-upload footage to your channel and run ads. Please keep in mind that to run ads you will need a monetized YouTube channel. At the end of this video, we will discuss how we are monetizing our channel. And remember that YouTube channels can be bought and sold like any other digital asset. So if you're looking to make money straight away, you can purchase one and skip this whole process. Okay, so now let's dive into some details. First and foremost, you will need a YouTube channel. If you have a Gmail account already created, that's great news. Just go to YouTube and click Create a YouTube Channel. If you'd like to have more than one channel, more Gmail accounts are not necessary. The platform allows you to have as many channels as you'd like linked to one Gmail account. Make sure you choose a niche for your channel that you're going to focus on. Here are a few important things to think about before choosing your niche. Make sure that you're ready to make at least 30 or so videos on that specific niche. One of the biggest mistakes that new YouTube creators make is uploading just a few videos and concluding that YouTube doesn't work. By doing this, you're just wasting time and energy. When going into the YouTube space, you have to upload at least 30 videos into that one niche to see if you will have a shot at making it or not. Do not mix several niches into one channel. YouTube will start to look for an audience to promote your channel to, and if you're uploading a bunch of random videos, YouTube's algorithm will have a very difficult time in finding that correct audience for you. To give you an idea of a good place to start, here are 4 niches that we selected: luxury, automotive, how-tos, and top 10s. For YouTube beginners, we recommend choosing a niche that you're familiar with in any way. Maybe you fix cars for a living. Great. Create a top 10 electric cars of 2021. The things you know can always be used in your favor on YouTube. That brings us to our second step, optimizing your channel before uploading content. We are trying to look as professional as possible in YouTube's eyes. The platform is searching for long-term relationships with creators who care about the content they provide. Make a logo, channel art using Photoshop or Canva, set up the country settings. Make sure your channel has keywords that describe the content that you will upload. You can find keywords using the free Chrome extension vidIQ. Link is in the description. And make sure your channel has a good About page. All of these details will be looked at by YouTube when your channel starts to gain some traction. Remember that YouTube's business is to run ads on your videos to advertisers who will purchase ads on certain topics. Help YouTube gather information about your channel and the results will be a lot better. Here is a step-by-step guide for this method. Use a 4K downloader. You can try the software for free. The link is in the description. Search for videos in your niche. Filter by videos which are getting recent views, so you will guarantee that those videos are in demand. Now go to YouTube. In the search box, write down the keywords that you're looking for and sort by most viewed. For free stock footage, you can go to Unsplash or Pixabay. These two websites are completely free and we use them for filler content all of the time. For video editing, we recommend using Shotcut. This software is free and has tons of features. We always recommend original commentary over this type of content. The commentary makes this content original and safe for advertisements. If you're not a native English speaker, we recommend using Takia text-to-speech software. Link in the description. For others, just record voiceover using your phone or microphone and you are all set. Here's a quick checklist you should use before uploading a video to YouTube. Make sure the video is at least 8 minutes long, otherwise YouTube will not allow mid-roll advertisements. The mid-roll ads can increase your RPM dramatically. Voiceover and editing are necessary. We are aiming for fair use policy. If the video is not transformed enough, YouTube will copyright claim it. The video is now ready to be uploaded. Before you publish your video, make sure that the SEO and thumbnail are done before making it public. For thumbnails, use Canva, and for SEO, use vidIQ. And don't forget to use tags. For new channels, tags are very important, because at the beginning, YouTube is trying to understand what type of audience they're going to be promoting your channel to. vidIQ will do the trick here. Make sure to have a nice description. In your description, there should be content that is related to the video. Use keywords to describe what the video is about and you should be all set. Include cards and an end screen to make the video more professional and publish the video. And now the work begins. Go ahead and upload 30 videos to test out your niche. At first, it may seem like a tall order. However, in our live training, beginners upload 1 video per day on average. To run ads on YouTube videos, you'll need to join a YouTube Partners program. The requirements are 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. The whole process takes around 30 days and the channel is monetized in about 30 to 60 days. Remember that this business can change your life, so take it seriously. Once your channel has been monetized, make sure to run ads. We recommend this ad strategy: 1 ad at the beginning and 1 ad at the end. If your video is longer than 8 minutes, make sure you insert a mid-roll ad every 3 minutes for optimal user experience and profit. Check your statistics every 5 videos that you upload. Make sure to keep your eye on the click-through rate and retention. This data will show if you're on a good track or not. Aim for about 50% retention and 8% click-through rate and you should be all set to go. In our experience, every YouTube channel has growth after 30 videos are uploaded. If you don't see any progress, give it a bit more time, but do not stop uploading. Click that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more content on how to make money using YouTube.